Hello, my name is Daniel Moore, and today I'm going to be going over my tech blog that I made using Handlebars and JavaScript. So, the basic function of this is it to be a tech blog. You can sign in, create a user, you can make posts, and you can add comments to other people's posts. I'm going to do that stuff right now. Sign up. Okay, signed up successfully. Now it takes me to the login page. Okay, and I'm logged in. Nope, I go to my dashboard. Welcome to my dashboard. Test post. I can add a new post. Title being another test post. Content. This is hit submit. It submits and clears the form. I can go home, and I can see another test post posted by me on the 12th of the 22nd year. Go back to my dashboard. I can see my posts. I can delete my posts. And I can also go home, and I can also click on another post, and I can leave comments. So here you saw it, you can see I said, cool, thank you for the feedback, posted by me at this date. If I click here, I can leave a comment. This post is to see if JawsDB is working correctly, posted by me. I can leave a review and say, looks like it is very nicely. And then submit a comment. Comment added. I go home, and then I can see, there it is. Test post. This post is to test if JawsDB is working correctly. Looks like it is working very nicely. Posted by me on this date. If I go to log out, I click log out, it says logged out. Login and sign up pops back up. If I click on dashboard, it takes me to the login page because I'm no longer signed in. Alright. So here's a bit of a look behind the scenes. This is very much a sort of full stack application. I have a back end hosted using SQLize and MySQL. Here's the routes that I've set up, the post put, these all being through models created using SQLize. I'm just going to sort of do a general overview. Don't want to take too much time here. The sign up, password, logout, just destroying the session. The session being where I'm holding all the login credentials. Here's the index where I'm running the routes through so that the app can use them. Making sure to specify that the API, which is where the sort of CRUD routes are being ran, and the slash routes handling the different pages to be rendered. In this case, using handlebars, there's a lot of rendering going on. It's not as easy as in React where you could just use a switch statement. You have to kind of go through systematically and check to make sure everything's there, and then populate the page, and then on-page population and stuff like that. Then you actually render the page in the routing request. It's sort of similar to React, but it's not a one-to-one similarity. Of course, just through the whole routing thing. I digress. Dashboard. Submit dash for the submitting posts, editing posts, sign plugin. Alright, here's the schema for the blog, the database that I'm hosting locally. Here are the models with all the database relationships that have been set up. This handles the date created at for the comments. This is the index where I'm just setting up all my different relationships for the database, making sure that a user has comments and has posts, and that comments and posts belong to users. Comments belonging to posts and users, making sure that exists. Here's my post model. Here's my user model. I'm moving on to my other things. That's something else. Here's my seeds, where I just put a little bit of just basic data. Here's some middleware that I use to, or not middleware in this case, they're for Handlebars, it's called helpers. And now here's the code for the main page, which is that to allow for a single page setup. Handlebars, just sort of emulating React, but a bit of inline setup to check if things are happening. Do this, do that. And here's my dashboard setup, which runs through a post array after getting the fetch request through the API to see how many posts there are, and then running it through an object of post array as a single post, each post being iterated on. Then editing posts. Here, this has some inline script that handles the deletion and updating of posts. Then here's the homepage. Login page, email, password, some more inline script to handle that checking. Sign-in page with some more inline script to handle the sign-ins. Submitting comments. Submitting posts. And yeah. Then here's my server.js, specifying the port, HBS, SQL as, storing and making sure that the session is being stored correctly. This being the session, the cookie. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day.